Hello students. Today we are going to talk about the last element of free consent. So last element of free consent means if the consent to a contract is given because of mistake, the contract will be void. Void means not enforceable by law. So mistake means what? So mistake means an erroneous belief regarding something. So erroneous means wrong belief regarding something which is important, which is material for the formation of contract. That means that the party is intending to do one thing and have by error or by mistake they have done something else. So mistake means it is a slip made not by design but by mischance. So it is something which is wrongfully done, which is mistake is done, something which is not by design, means it is something which is not purposely made, but it happens. So it is done by mischance. Mistake is of two types: mistake of law and mistake of fact. Mistake of fact is of three types: mistake of general law of the country, that means mistake with respect to a law which is prevalent in the country, or mistake of foreign law, or mistake of property rights of a party relating to property and goods. So mistake of law may be of any of these three types. If the contract is made because of mistake of law, that contract will be totally void. So according to section 21 of Indian Contract Act, a contract is not voidable. So we have seen that if the consent is given because of the first four elements, the contract will be voidable. Voidable means it will be enforceable at the option of the party whose consent is caused because of either of those four elements. It will be enforceable. That option, both options will be available to the party whose consent is given because of those four elements. Here, in case of mistake, a contract is not voidable because it is caused by a mistake as to any law in force in India. That means whenever a contract is formed that is because of mistake of law or mistake of fact, the contract will be void, not enforceable by law. Now, mistake of a fact is of two types, that is bilateral mistake or unilateral mistake. Bilateral mistake means it is a mistake in which both the parties to an agreement are at mistake about certain facts essential to the agreement. Bilateral mistake means same thing which we have discussed in bilateral contract, unilateral contract. So it is a mistake when both the parties believe in that wrongful thing or something which is wrong. So both the parties to an agreement are at mistake about what? About certain facts which are very essential or which are important material for the formation of the contract. Unilateral mistake. So it is a mistake in which only one party to a contract is under a mistake of fact. So we have not discussed all these mistakes and etc. Everything in detail. What is required for writing a 15 marks question, full everything we have discussed. So here today we have completed first unit. From next class we will start with the second unit. Thank you.